guys to another video. It looks as if me starting the vlogs inside my car is like a routine now, so I feel like I'm gonna start doing that now. Just starting the video in my car. I don't know why, I just feel like it's a routine now because I do it like in every video. So anyways, today I'm going to be hanging out with friends basically the whole day, and then with my girlfriend probably later. But for now, I'm going to go hang out with some friends. We're going to work on their cars, and well, from there you guys will see, because I don't have anything more planned. So hopefully today turns out amazing. It is a beautiful day today, like I mean beautiful, and it's my day off, and I usually don't get beautiful days on my day off. So enjoy the video, guys. So the pavement. What are we doing?
Changing the tire. I'm trying to.
But everyone passes by here so fast.
I know. It's a freeway, bro.
It's a freeway.
It's called 90.
The new project.
What? It's just bending. Yeah. Unless you want to try it. Unless we get a car to pull it.
Damn, turbo.
A car to pull it.
Must be nice.
Pull it with your car.
Huh?
Pull it with your car.
Oh,
Pull a rope.
just put a rope.
He dumps the click. Like in Fast and Furious when they take in the safe and shit.
Yeah, I don't know. We repeat the movie.
For real. We end up saving the world and shit.
What are we doing?
Putting the back.
We're gonna put this low donut on this one right here because you were shooting out yesterday, so you need more grip.
I need more grip. Is this even like new?
Bro, it looks
No,
like it's never been touched.
It's been touched before.
Obviously.
Look at the intake, nigga.
This is the intake. Alright, so pretend that you're real. Alright, ready?
Oh yeah.
I just noticed that.
God damn it. Hey, what pants are you wearing? Alright,
look
so...
at this fitment though.
No, there's a way right here.
It still works.
What is it for though? Like inside? Or one of these?
No, it burned.
Oh.
I have like random ass tools here.
Which is 10mm bolt at though?
Oh yeah. Is this on there? Yeah. Really got it, but we did got it. We took most of the weight out. I'm gonna show them the trunk. So guys, we got it the trunk. Not really, but we did. We just went to go do the pulls, the ones you guys just saw. Well, you're probably gonna see right now. I don't know if I'm gonna put them before this clip or after, but this is how I left it. I'll leave those on. I don't really want to break it. I already broke it over here on the side. Right here I broke it. So I'm not really trying to force it. But yeah, I was spinning second to third. Like all of the boys went to work, and it's always like that. On my days off, the boys work, and then I'm just all alone like the whole day. But right now I came to one of their jobs to eat, you know, grab some munchies real quick. Hey guys, well, you guys can't even see me. So I am back from eating. I got some Wendy's real quick. Right now I'm gonna go put some gas because you guys already know VQ's like what? Like you just go around the corner and you're just... be nice. Oh, yeah, I just saw it right now. Must be nice. You missed it, bro. It must be nice. Must be nice. Where's Jerry at, bro?
Bro, Enrique, it sounds like your car.
It's always him, nigga!
It's a Mustang.
You gotta move gas so you can speed! Come to the front by the sun.
It's terrible.
Hey, send that Corolla!
You got a gray Evo? A white one. Oh, hey, was it that good? Nah. Oh, there's another Z over here. Yeah. Oh yeah.
beep, beep.
Here to the line. Guys, so I was gonna decide to record for you guys. I don't know what happened here. I don't know. There's a bunch of cops. I hope everything's okay. I guess a motorcycle crashed. Something happened, but this wasn't here. I just passed by here like a couple minutes ago. Literally don't know what happened. I just saw a motorcycle and that's about it. That's all I saw. So guys, like I wanna do like POV, I guess, driving videos for you guys. I know like in some other, I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube of people just doing like POVs, but like I just want you guys to experience how loud my car is. You guys can't even hear my voice and stuff. Is way too loud. It's really loud. Guys, it's really loud because I got it in my trunk earlier, if you guys saw in the video. And well, so far it's cool. I really like how my car sounds like a race car, but this is not a race car. This is a daily car. It is a street car. And well, the only reason I wanted to gut it is because I at least want to be a little bit quicker to a point where it's like fun to drive it. But I feel like it's gonna get annoying after a while having the trunk gutted. So I'm probably just gonna put it back on like next week or in the next few days, because like I said, it gets annoying at times. I can't even like listen to music. I know I have a girlfriend and I know that once she gets in my car, she's not gonna like the way it sounds. So yeah guys, who knows, I'll probably just end up keeping it the same. I just spotted. I literally just took off my head mount, but I had to put it back on because if you guys can tell, there is a classic Mustang over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's in front of the Cadillac over there. There's the Integra. This is the Integra I raced the other day. I like the way my car sits. Honestly, like, it just needs to be lowered. Some side skirts, some splash guards, single exit exhaust, carbon fiber duckbill, spoiler, and a carbon fiber hood, which I do have one right here. I have a carbon fiber hood. I am currently working on it. I haven't finished it. I am restoring it because it is really bad. Just like my paint. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hold on. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below any questions or concerns or any ideas for future videos. Please take care, guys. Have an amazing day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short. I'll see you guys in the next one.